पीछे से क्लियर करो। अरे एक मिनट मैडम को ऊपर जाने थोड़ा थोड़ा अरे वेट वेट क्या कर रहे हो? अरे अरे प्लीज प्लीज जरा अरे थोड़ा बाद में मैडम बाद प्लीज 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 अरे आराम से wait everyone else come wait पुलिस है वहाँ प्लीज जरा मागे प्लीज मागे प्लीज सर प्लीज
I have a lot to say, but I don't know where to start. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the students who filmed that very first song that we saw with BMC staff. I think they did it in one day and it's so impressive. And I really appreciate that these people are shown right now because they are really the foundation of this movement. And it was nice to sort of get introduced to their faces and just to see their uniforms because when you have a face of an individual behind some kind of service and you know them and you understand how they're contributing, you value their work so much more. So these people work incessantly and I think it's it's really endearing and courteous of these students to take notice of that. About the film, I have many people to thank. Mr. Murarkar, thank you so much to invest in something which is so important for all of us. Aditya, you have single-handedly pulled it off, and everyone who's been a part of it, Isha, all the actors and Pradeep sir. I mean, apart from that, I really don't know what I can say to justify me being here. Of course, anything that it needs me to, sort of I mean, I'm glad that I'm useful in any way. I mean, to be honest, like, I can't be more thankful than this opportunity to know that you can do something for your country and it actually can materialize into something so significant is a matter of gratitude. And I think all you students would agree with me that we live for moments like these. And I think, what do I do to, contribute for something like this? I'd say growing up, I was a slob. I was really lazy and hated having shower and things like that. And I'm a really dirty person. So my parents were fed up. And honestly, nothing good ever happened in my life during that phase. I would be very honest, I never made friends, no opportunities came my way. And then I read a lot about elements and composition, energies, and then I came across this fact that energies are of three types: Sattva, Tamas, and Rajas. So the most superior type is Sattva, and that is all about cleanliness, truth, anything which is beautiful in life, artistic. So it starts with a beautiful environment, and that is what Lakshmi is about. You can only attract Lakshmi. It has been given a human form to make it easier for people, simple-minded people like us. But eventually, Lakshmi is an energy which you can only attract if you have sattvic energy. So if you have clean environment, you have that energy. If you have that energy, you have clean environment. It's vice versa. So I think ever since I used these techniques in my life, my life changed. So now I love to have shower. I love to keep my environment clean, and I make sure I never litter. I mean, I swear to God, I must have not littered for like for the past 12 years.
Wow,
Yeah.
very nice.
It's not the most convenient thing. Every time you eat an apple, you tuck it in your pocket. You have a sandwich, you push it in your big Dior bag. You do anything which you know sort of you don't litter, and to avoid that you have to make small adjustments. Then it's all about habit. But you can culminate about you can go about making good habits. And I request everyone that we can, if not for just not just country, this earth is ours, and if we have good environment around us, it's going to benefit us. And how Mr. Bachchan said कि साफ भारत समृद्ध भारत, तो हम उसमें विश्वास करते हैं, और सबका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
Thank you. Can I request